I'm telling niggas, bro, they better not come here for grade A quality stuff. This is getting distorted. This video is staying up.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? I used to fuck with
Hey man. Same clothes, same location, you bitch ass.
Cause we cooking up.
Fucking all day. Cooking up in the lab, nigga. In the lab kit. You know what I'm saying? We're back with a Playboi Carti video, boy. We ain't done one of these in a minute.
7 months ago, that's when we did, no.
Was that,
well, that was when we did Narcissist, like we did an update video on it.
Okay.
But the last actual one was...
Was that Pierre one?
No, was Switching Lanes when we came out.
Or back, this might get taken down too, you know what I'm saying? But listen, bro, the whole song's not gonna be played.
We're gonna talk.
Second by second. Yeah, we're gonna talk. We're gonna pause it. If that's not what you want, get your bitch ass on the video, nigga.
This is the Canary Diamonds. If y'all hit that sub button for the boys. Y'all Marky Wonton, D back up in the lab, back cooking up, you know what I'm saying?
Hella niggas in the community been waiting for it. Apparently, I've been hearing his ass and I've been hearing this good.
Oh, Pierre, you wanna come out here? I used to fuck with
This nigga's being that
but yeah, I'm in this shit tonight. Want that lean up motherfucking pipe. I swear to God, I shoot anybody. I swear to God, die for anything. Fucking with the rain. Very yellow diamond, baby girl. Diamond with this shit. You with Ellie, with this shit. Just like Fawcett, bitch.
Nigga, this got to win, bro. Nigga, this got to win.
Right up on we'll get you, we try. You try.
I'm just saying, bro. Last time when we reacted to the dang, cause this remind, I don't know why, bro, but like hearing like how like instrumental hit the same as how like I remember how RPMs was.
Yeah, RPMs.
Like hearing like first hearing that,
bro.
That like it just hit like that to me.
All those leads was crazy.
Oh, if y'all touch it, TikTok, no hands.
I don't think it's like Candy.
They can do anything. They got it.
Oh yeah, baby. Check on my dance. Oh yeah, baby. Say the fuck for the chocolate. Yeah, it's ready for me. Check on my niggas. Oh yeah, baby.
That's how you know it's a fucking 2017 that song right there.
I ain't gonna say
2017 that song.
Like in all, like not all of them, but in some of them we heard that.
But like that, like how the sounds are like on like that seemed like a 2017, 2018. That's it. Oh God.
Sure.
That is.
Bro, I don't remember. Like I don't know any 2017 songs with he. Like he does that. I feel like more 2018. 2017, there's no songs I can even think of.
I came back with no cup. These bitches on your cup. I'm drinking with no cup. I touched down with that bitch. Bring them boogers in. I put it on my neck. You see one piece. I put that shot on your butt. Put it on your knees.
Hold on, what did they say? Hold on, this is how he made it. You gotta. I'm gonna show you exactly how he made this song. Exactly. I need something. Hold on. Dang, I thought I had something. I thought I had gum.
No.
I was gonna get a whole wad of gum and put it in my mouth and be like, you know, just try to fucking talk. But I always say,
just enjoying the beat.
It don't matter what he's saying. It's just a lot. It's the beat. It's Pierre going crazy.
Yeah, folks like shit. I'm a nigga with the shit. We'll keep quick.
Word to STDs, we've been doing it, bro.
Bro, I put that on STDs.
I put that on STDs, we've been doing it.
Some niggas probably ain't gonna know that. STDs.
You think it's burning? What?
Yeah.
No, and I'll never say who he is. I never will, because his name is never going back. Hit that sub button.
Comment what you want us to react to, nigga. You know what I'm saying? We've been saying this, nigga. Comment what you want us to react to, nigga. Okay? It's not hard, bro. Simple. You want us to react to something you like, bro? We'll react to it, nigga. We see all the comments, nigga. And yeah.